Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Today we'll come to talk about Casey Fennell. Casey Fennell, people, if you don't know who Casey Fennell is, the beautiful, short-haired, model-type-esque female that represented Jamaica at the Miss Jamaica or Miss Universe Jamaica. Here's a picture of Casey right here. You should know who I'm talking about. A she FOOTA hype did that style. 2014, 2015, in a them time there. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, she was recently in Trinidad for Carnival. And she tweeted out, Facebook, whatever she did, this picture. This picture came out of her down there, of course, enjoying herself. So she posed up in a little, you know what I'm saying, a carnival outfit, right? Man like FOOTA hype now. You hear the name? FOOTA. This was the picture that caused all the controversy. Look at her outfit. Do you see anything wrong with it? It's carnival. Hype. He's always at the FOOTA for hype. Right? Big up FOOTA same way, but FOOTA. If you don't know who FOOTA hype is, remember Aishana. Yeah, FOOTA hype used to deal with Aishana. FOOTA hype, that FOOTA hype and the whole Aishana drama saga. Anyway, FOOTA hype came out and said some things that could be very hurtful. Deemed as hurtful. I found them to be, him shouldn't handle her so. But anyway, here's the story, right? And I want y'all to tell me what you guys think. Also, link in the description for Brains and the Beats video on the same topic. Because Brains covered this topic from a female's perspective, which Jamaican female's perspective, how she actually feels about this, right? So the whole story goes like this. Today we are talking though about FOOTA hype, not that FOOTA hype. See, Brains talked about what FOOTA said about Casey and how it's damaging. I'm talking today about the backlash that FOOTA got from that. Because, you know, Casey, Miss Universe, Jamaica, Miss Upper Society, Uptown Girl kind of thing. You know what I mean? So they're not going to let a little ghetto youth like FOOTA hype come step on her thing and disrespect her on an international stage in any way. So, right now, FOOTA hype is claiming that after he made these statements or this statement on social media, him a claim say the bigger heads in Jamaica start step on him thing, right? So it says popular dancehall producer DJ FOOTA hype is alleging that persons, that means he's saying with no proof, that persons have suggested they would ensure that he loses his travel privileges following his criticism of the former Miss Jamaica Universe, Casey Fennell. FOOTA hype this week said that Fennell, who was in Trinidad for Carnival, had degraded herself because of the revealing costume she wore. Here FOOTA now. FOOTA said, I expected the backlash. They do the same thing to dancehall. FOOTA hype said after he found himself on the receiving end of a flurry of negative comments. He said that he is the detractor. Simply elites and upper class people wants to cow us down. They even threatened to have my traveling rights taken away, all because I defend dancehall. But that don't scare me, said FOOTA hype. He, however, did not say what threatened to take or who threatened to take away his travel rights and how it would be done. FOOTA hype was caustic in his comments about Fennell. The comments said, these are the comments that he made on social media. He said, I don't care if this is Miss Jamaica or Miss World. This no look good. Your favor idiot. Carnival make you degrade yourself, exposing yourself, so shaking my fucking head. SMFH. This was the outfit that made FOOTA say all that. Now you tell me, was that warranted? For those of you that didn't understand what SMFH means, shaking my fucking head. Better you did come a one dancing a one batty rider. He posted on social media. Fennell took offense to it. Right? She took offense to FOOTA hype's criticism and opened that the DJ was tearing down women. So that is where Brains and the Beat did her thing on, I'm doing my thing on something else, but it all coincides. So this is what she said. Instead of us celebrating us, they tear us down. This type of man makes women second guess themselves. And that is absolutely unacceptable because our women are heaven sent. And it saddens me that situations like this lower their self-esteem, Fennell said about FOOTA hype and his comment. Since then, FOOTA Hype said that he was simply showing the double standard between soca and dancehall as it relates to the upper class. They don't understand that this is not about Casey. This is bigger than Casey. I was looking at the bigger picture. I am sure if I put up the picture of Casey and Spice beside each other, people would agree that Casey looked more degrading. FOOTA Hype said, I totally respect women. And that's not what Ishana said. You beat me up in front of his son. You remember that? Anyway, I totally respect women, allegedly. I totally respect women. And I also believe women must watch out, the good. And I also believe that women must respect themselves. At the end of the day, I did not go to Casey's house and peep through her window and take the photo. She made it available for the world to see. And as I said, I didn't attack her. She was a victim of proof that dancehall has endured double standards, he said. Now, I am all for the defense of dancehall music, right? But that had nothing to one had nothing to do with the other. You see those people who keep on doing stuff like comparing dancehall to soca music or calypso music, whatever. No, not calypso, I feel that. To dancehall to soca music is two totally different things. Jamaica has reggae music, I feel a thing that it's on lock. Dancehall especially is our thing, it's on lock. When they say dancehall reggae music, everybody know Jamaica first, right? When they say soca music, everybody I think Trinidad first, right? Then them think all the other islands. Now, this whole thing of, because I've always heard this, that Jamaica and Trinidad always in a something and they don't like us and we don't like them. The funny thing is, I haven't met a Trini that don't like Jamaicans. And I can't say that the beef is real. I've been told by Trinidadians that there are other Trinis that don't like Jamaicans. And I've heard from my own Trini friends certain stereotypical talks about Jamaicans, but I not say them not like we. Because we have our own stereotypical talks about them also. Whatever go on in a Trinidad, the same shit go on in a Jamaica. So no need to fix up on yourself with that. FOOTA is defending dancehall, but at what expense? If you're going to tear down the thing, then don't defend it. Because you throwing Casey under the bus for wearing that outfit. This outfit right here is an outfit that I could have went to the beach and have seen a female in way less than this. And this is just a normal beach day. Matter of fact, the video that I just did about viral moments in dancehall, where the girl beat up the big old piece of rock stone upon her pum pum. Yeah, she was hitting it on the ground a lot of the time, but a couple of times she slapped it upon her crotch as well, right? That barbaric animalistic behavior, that uncouth behavior then, that animal-like behavior then, or baboonish, gorilla-like behavior. How come you're not saying anything about that? Because it's behaviors like that that makes our women look bad, right? It's not no friggin' sexy, beautiful women like Casey standing there in her little carnival outfit. Do you know that this lady wears less than that on the stage when she was representing Jamaica? Here's Casey strutting her stuff across the stage, representing Jamaica to the fullest on an international level, right? Universe, Jamaica, in a 2014, 2015, them time there, when they said she was robbed. Do you know that she wore less on the stage then? How come you never said anything about that? Why? Because she was representing Jamaica then, so it's okay for her to go out there and one little piece of something will barely cover her breast them, and one little piece of something that barely covers her crotch. But now that she's out enjoying herself, living her life, and she's in Trinidad for carnival, suddenly you're drawing in soca and you're drawing in dancehall and comparing and contrasting in order to use that to throw Casey under the bus. I don't know. And I don't stand for it at all. And now you're talking about, oh, them want to take away your travel papers. I don't really think nobody was trying to take away FOOTA travel papers. I think FOOTA depends on some hype again. FOOTA Hype is the name, right? And I'm in my look at hype constantly. I know he's probably going to watch this and throw SouFLoTV under the bus. FOOTA, me just as said, right? The girl look good in her outfit. Them things that what she said about you though, or what she says not about you, but about the general statement that you made and how it makes women feel and all these other things, and that our women are to be celebrated and so on and so forth. We have to look deeper into that, my brother. Alright? So, people, check it out, man. It's SouFLoTV. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. This is what I want to know from you. Was her outfit too risque? So the outfit here, now take a good look. Was it too risky? Huh? Come FOOTA never said nothing one time. Casey Fennell was elected to be and was 2015 Road March Queen in Jamaica for Jamaica's carnival, and she wore a similar outfit. So here she is in Jamaica, you know, at our carnival. Look at the outfit, similar, right? Representing for Jamaica, right? The only difference was she had the big old thing on her, you know, but she, if you look at the outfit, she wore a similar outfit that was very revealing. So I don't get the point. She was in Jamaica wearing that, you didn't say nothing. She's in Trinidad wearing a similar thing, and now you're drawing soca in to compare soca to and calling her all kind of name. I even see people under the comment section drawing energy off of FOOTA Hype's comment and calling this girl a porn star for Trinidad Carnival. Is that something that you wouldn't find in dancehall music? Him say if you put Spice next to her, Casey, everybody would agree that Spice is more properly dressed and Casey's outfit was more riskier. Has Spice not worn similar outfits in the past? And let's not even put Spice in this. Don't we not see outfits that are way riskier in dancehall, like pum pum a show, breast nipple clear as day, everything like that? Walk up in the video like girl, them kind of thing there, right? Pat up them pum pum, pull up them skirt and all kind of something. No panty on. Hey, crutches Wednesday or Thursday, whatever the hell that is. Hey man, like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section below. Did FOOTA Hype try to throw her under the bus but got a backlash from it, and now he's backpedaling and talking about he's defending dancehall? Don't use dancehall as a scapegoat, in a brother, and don't try to frig up the thing, because you that I talk about you're defending dancehall. I don't see how this is in defense of dancehall, especially when you're trying to crucify soca music. All you're going to do here is cause division amongst a set of people that are supposed to be one people. I'm out of here, man. Like, comment, again, share, subscribe. Oh, and again, click the link in the description. Brains and the Beat says it best over there according to how women feel. I could have never said it. Me, I know one woman. Alright? I'm out. Peace.